What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kitchen Court Cases, where we watch court in my kitchen. And let's go and take a look at an appearance in front of Judge Sylvester in Kansas.
That's cool.
Mr. Rodermel here. Hunter?
Thanks, you. And you're Alexa Rodermel?
Yes, sir.
Am I pronouncing your name correctly?
It's road normal.
Rodermel?
That's close.
Say it again.
Road normal.
Rodarmel?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Rodarmel, and I apologize for pronunciation of your name. You're here today in case number 2023 CR 42, where you have been charged with 2 criminal counts. I'm going to go over those with you right now. In count 1, you've been charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, having physical contact with a county or city officer on duty. This is a Class A misdemeanor, and it's punishable by up to a year in the county jail and a fine of up to $2,500. And in count 2, you've been charged with attempted aggravated escape from custody while being held for a felony. This is a felony, and it's a level 10 felony in the state of Kansas, and it's punishable by up to 13 months in the state penitentiary and a fine of up to $100,000. These are both alleged to have happened on April 17th of this year. Do you understand what you've been charged with and the possible penalties?
Yes, I do understand.
Now, these are only allegations. You have the right to have a trial on this matter where the state has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you committed each and every one of these offenses, and you have the right to defend yourself and challenge that evidence in court. And you also have the right to have legal counsel, and if you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. Do you understand those rights?
Yeah, I think that's what I would like to do is get an attorney, but I was also wondering if I could get an OR because I was OR'd by Stafford County already.
Okay. Well, let's take one thing at a time. I'm going to have you fill out an application for a court-appointed attorney. Do you have an appointed attorney over in Stafford County?
It's Shannon Crane.
Yes. Okay, so I have a call into her. She's not in her office this morning, but she's supposed to contact me later today. And I'm going to try and see if I can get her appointed to this case over here, just because I think it will be
More convenient.
easier and for you to have one attorney. She usually doesn't have appointments over here, which is why I need to call and talk to her and see if she'll take this case. So we'll work on that, and if she can't take this one, we will make sure and get you an attorney here in the next day or two. Okay. And now, and you've also asked for an OR bond. You said that you had an OR bond over in Stafford County, but weren't you being held over here for Stafford County?
I was told that I had an OR from Stafford County and I was just being held on a $25,000 bond from you guys, but I was just wondering if we could get me an OR since I was OR'd from Stafford County. It would just be.
Okay. Mr. Moore, do you have a position on this?
I do, Your Honor. The state would oppose that. She has a bond for this case. As she alluded to, it seems appropriate for the Class A and the level 10 felony that you described, Your Honor. And if Your Honor does, however, either grant an OR or reduce her bond, the state would ask that there be supervision and regular reporting as Your Honor deems appropriate. Thank you.
Okay. Do you have any, do you have any response or anything else you want me to take into account? Ms. Rodarmo?
I know, I was just wondering for your consideration on that.
Okay. I'm going to deny it right now, because of the charges. I mean, you're charged with attacking a law enforcement officer and attempting to escape.
I was just-
And so, that kind of checks both boxes, that you are a flight risk and that you are a danger to the community. So I'm going to leave it as it is right now, but once we get you an attorney appointed, you could take this up with your attorney, and he or she could bring it back up at a later point. In the meantime, I'm going to set you for your next court hearing on June 21st at 11 o'clock in the morning. Do you have any other questions?
No, sir, thank you for your consideration.
Okay, thank you very much.
Your Honor, I have Mr. Van Zant on the docket. Do you?
Go ahead and bring Mr. Van Zant in. I have some questions for him.
All right.
Wow, that was certainly serious for somebody who walked in, and I was quite polite there, to be honest, comparatively to a lot of people we see. But those are serious charges. Did he say the fine could be up to $100,000? That's high. Wow. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know what you think about him not giving her the OR bond. I think she went for it. She asked, but I would love to hear what you think. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and have a great night. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.